Hi guys, so we're back with week 3 of the case study. Can you believe it? So in this week 3, the case study with the skin is now demonstrating improvement in stability and tolerance. Today's treatment is focused on maintaining the barrier's integrity while gently proceeding corrective support. The skin presents calmer, less reactive than in previous weeks 1 and 2 that we saw. So today, what you see me adding on here are her additives. I don't like to use my fingers. I like to use brushes, so that's what I did there. The key ingredients used during this session were to focus on repair and inflammation, controlling inducing humectants, and to support the hydration, soothing anti-inflammatory agents, calming redness, the skin's identical lipids to strengthen the barrier. Mid-corrective ingredients were introduced in a controlled manner to support the texture refinement without overstimulating the skin, because that's the most important part. You don't want to push the skin too far. That's why right here in this video that you see, I'm using the red light to push those products in that I put on the skin, because that will help with overall penetration and absorption in the skin. Love the My Skin Buddy. It is a great tool to help penetrate your products. It's also a great product for home care regimen. She is using this at home twice a day to wash her face as well as penetrate her products at home. In this week 3, we also explained that the treatment plan was to include internal support. As we discussed in week 2, gut health is hormonally driven, and the inflammation introduced supports measures such as probiotics and zinc to regulate the inflammation. There'll be more to come.